Lo msitho weengxoxo zokuxhotyiswa kwabasetyhini ubonakalise ifuthe elihle kwindlela zokuphuhlisa intsebenziswano phakathi kwabasetyhini nababonakele begxobile ngokuzimasa lo msitho nobubanjelwe eGqeberha. OnguSihlalo kwicandelo lophuhliso lwabasetyhini kumbutho iBMF, uAkhona Ndlungwane, uthi eyona njongo yalo msitho kukumanya abantu basetyhini.
The main purpose of the event is for the women of Nelson Mandela Bay in different sectors to network and get to know each other. We want to know who's doing what in what corner, because as I said that we know each other, but behind knowing each other there's a power of collaboration. So when we're saying unified impact, we want you to bring your A, I bring my B, you bring your C, then we call it alphabets.
Ubusinzo uthi eyona nto imphuhlisayo engowasetyhini kukwazi ukuzixhobisa yena ngokunokwakhe, nto leyo imnika amandla okukwazi ukukhuthaza namanye amabhinqa amngqongileyo. Unzo ukholelwa ukuba owona mqobo obambezela abasetyhini kwimpumelelo ingakumbi abamnyama kukoyika ukuthatha amathuba.
I continue to plug myself into the spaces that I feel are going to give me more exposure. First of all, in the industry that I am and other related industries. I read a lot. I catch up a lot on what is happening around me in the economy, in the world, so that I can always be informed about what is going on. We're brought up believing that men were better than women, and I think that mindset is it stays with us. And I think particularly black women, we don't engage.
Abasetyhini abagqwesileyo kumacandelo abo nebebeqhuba ezingxoxo kulo msitho, uThandokazi Nquma Moyo oyinzululwazi nokwangumphathi jikelele kwezobuchwepheshe kunye nakwi-arhente yokusungula kunye nobongisiwa ongumlawuli kwi-BSDS bakhuthaze abasetyhini.
Sebenzisane as women and to integrate in the spaces that men work in. We must not be apologetic, we must not be victims, we must not think that we must carry ourselves as help, but we are thought leaders in our own right. We've got ideas, we've got solutions, we're problem solvers, we must network and we must take up space.
I want to encourage young people, old people, at whatever age. When you have a passion about a business idea and your passion is backed up by knowledge, you actually have some semblance of knowledge about what you want to do. So as a person, empower yourself with knowledge, be enthusiastic.
Ilungu le-BMF uGugu Nxiweni uthi ezinye zendlela zokuba amabhinqa aphumelele kukungazami ukukhuphisana namadoda.
When women allow themselves to be themselves, they can inspire even anybody, males, females included. Part of the problem we have, is that women want to adjust themselves to be like men. They want to behave like men, they want to talk like men, they want to sit like men, they want to write like men. I think for me, one of the main important things is for women to realize they are already enough. Part of it all is for men themselves to get rid of their own prejudices against women.
Usihlalo we-BMF Nelson Mandela Bay uSiyabulela Jodwana uthi akunyanzelekanga ukuba abantu basetyhini bade balwe ukuba bafike kwizinga abafuna ukufikelela kulo ngenxa yokuba bebhinqile ingakumbi xa benaso isakhono.
If we were to look at industries today, they are led by women. So we can see the great impact that women are playing in terms of growing the economy. So what we want women to take up space, but what we want to do, or what is lacking currently, is the monitoring. Because as much as there are laws, but there are no repercussions. So we're saying as BMF that we want the government to tighten the monitoring.
I-BMF Nelson Mandela Bay isungule elinyathelo lokubhiyozela abasetyhini abakulo mbutho ngelinge lokubaqhwabela izandla nokubakhuthaza. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ninguJessica Popo ndiseqa.